Welcome kids. Let's learn the word family of short vowel sound E. E says A, D says D, E, D, ed. E says A, D says D, E, D, ed. E says A, D says D, ed, ed. B says B, B-E-D, bed. W says W, W-E-D, wed. SP says Sp, S-P-E-D, sped. SH says Sh, S-H-E-D, shade. F says F, F-E-D, fade. T says T, T-E-D, tade. P says Pa, P-E-D, paid. L says L, L-E-D, laid. R says R, R-E-D, raid. What's next? E says A, G says G, E-G, egg. Repeat with me. E says A, G says G, E-G, egg. E-G-G, egg. E says A, G says G, E-G, egg. B says B, B-E-G, beg. D-R says dra, D-R-E-G, drag. Left or particles of T. S says sa, S-E-G, seg. N says na, N-E-G, neg. M says ma, M-E-G, meg. P says pa, P-E-G, pig. K says ka, K-E-G, keg. L says la, L-E-G, leg. Very good. Write the following letters in the comments. Click on the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you, Mother Phonics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.